pack your bag. It's time to go through the mountains high or valleys low. A plane, a train, or a big blue boat. Through skies we soar, on seas we float.
Rolling wheels on a winding track. Count the trees as they race past back. Whistle blows, the train goes choo. Every mile there's something new. Sandy beaches, the waves go splash. Build a castle, but it might not last. Shells and stars on the ocean shore. Oh, the world has so much more. Through the forest, a hidden trail. Follow the fox, the deer and quail. Whispering winds and a rustling sound. Nature's magic all around. In the city, lights so bright. Busy streets and a thrilling sight. Climbing towers, reaching high. Touching almost the moonlit sky. Travel far, travel near. Bring your joy and lose your fear. Step by step, the world you'll see. Adventure, adventure, just let it be. Adventure, adventure, just let it be. Beaches, the waves go splash. Build a castle, but it might not last. Shells and stars on the ocean shore. Oh, the world has so much more. Sandy beaches, the waves go splash. Build a castle, but it might not